My name is Hazim Gaber, and today we're going to be talking about an introduction to CompTIA A Plus 220-1001. Now, before we start, in order to get your A Plus, you need to pass 220-1001 and 220-1002. And they're two separate exams. So 220-1001 is mostly hardware, and 2 is software. I decided to break these up into two separate courses, and I'm gonna run them parallel. And if you want to watch them both at the same time, that's fine. If you want to watch them one after the other, that's fine. When I wrote the book, I put everything into one book. And so the exam is multiple choice, 90 multiple choice questions, some performance based. You get 90 minutes. Passing score unknown, but it's 675. So somehow the 90 is converted into a scale of 100 to 900. Nobody gets 0 somehow. Anyway, so we're going to cover the following topics now: mobile, networks, hardware, virtual machines, and cloud, and then troubleshooting. So this is about 25% of the course, and about 25%, about 20%, about 15, about 15. And then if we look, this kind of overlaps with the CI, SSP, security, plus, network plus. So I'm just gonna go through some of the topics that we expect to cover. And so basically, laptop hardware, uh, display, battery, memory, CPU, laptop, special keys, docking stations, phones, tablets, smartwatches, USB, configuring cell phones, email, Bluetooth, hotspot, VPN, etc. And then, can you sync a mobile device? And we're going to show you how to do all this stuff. And then part 2 is networks. So we're going to talk about TCP and UDP, ports, protocols, hardware, so switches, routers, APs, modems, firewall, PoE, and then configure. Now learn how to configure a basic network. And there's a lot of cool tech now, so I'm going to talk about how to configure a router, switch, QoS, smart home devices. I'm going to look at Wi-Fi quite in depth. Basically 802.11 whatever standard, and the cellular, Bluetooth. And learn how all this stuff works. And then we're going to look at web servers, DHCP, DHCP, IP, VPNs, VLANs, etc. And then we're going to look at types of internet. We're going to look at physical cable install and tools. And then we're going to look more about, next section, when we talk about hardware, we're going to look at all the different types of cables. So network, video, USB, hard drives, connector types, RAM types, storage devices, motherboards, and connectors, and peripheral or expansion cards. And then external peripherals, so scanners, printers, controllers, readers, card readers, etc. Now look at power supply, and then how to determine the best hardware for your customer. How to configure a laptop or desktop. And the printer, device sharing, and then maintain or install a printer. Whoops. I better add some more slides here. Run out of space to write. So then we're going to look at cloud. So we're going to look at the different types of cloud. And then we're going to look at virtualization, including Hyper-V and some ideas. Now look at the theory behind it. And then last, we're going to think about problem solving, troubleshooting hardware issues, and then troubleshooting hard drive / RAID, video / projectors, mobile device, printers, and networks. Any questions? So I will have a lot of actual hardware to show you.